Yeah, I got a new shipment for you guys. I got some Adidas right here, some Yeezy 500 highs. So let's do a little unboxing. I'm also gonna tell you guys how they fit, if you gotta get true to size or half size bigger, half size smaller. All right, without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. He sent me 2 shoes, 2 pairs. Not as bad. My bro behind the camera got hyped up.
Shoe itself has small patches of leather throughout the shoe. The blue spots has that Under Armour stretchy material feel to them with some memory foam under, which makes it even comfier. I'd recommend to upsize. A half size up will be best.
All right, let's take a closer look at the shoes. We're gonna show you how they look on feet. Let's get it.